Hey everybody, showing off my 3D layout created by Patrick and his team. Uh, can't be more appreciative of everything he did, the patience he showed working through changes and hitting all the minor details to make sure the 3D rendering was as realistic as possible, as well as adding a couple useful features that I wanted on the side. I think the thing I liked the best was his suggestion at the end to clean up the clutter and put this button here in. Um, where we can show all the lights, control lights from here, as you can see. Um, but we're just using it and quick glance at the dashboard, it was cluttered. So we put the button in there to take out all the lights um, because, you can see if a light is on uh, by the rendering. But appreciative of all his work. You can also see we put in temperatures of the rooms, my different sensors to see how everything's working. Also have the lower level and my nearby shop. So great work. I thank him for everything and highly recommend uh, for any of your 3D needs or any other home assistant needs. Thank you.